just a short video aimed in particular at a new picker. Look, it's tough. Those of us that have been around for a little bit of time, and that includes myself, only a little bit of time, realize that even though it's not an expensive sport, it can get a little bit wild because there are a lot of different directions you can go, and getting all the pieces together is not always quite so easy depending on the situation you're in. So I have an idea, and here's how it's going to go. Bear with me for a second while I reach for things. Where am I going to put this? Put that there for a second, and I'll put that over there. I thought I might donate something. It's a, I don't know, it's a giveaway. Not really a contest, because quite frankly there are no rules. But a lock is always useful, so here we go. An oval lock with a moderately interesting key. Wait up. Change the lighting. So, a lock and a key. And practice locks, I think, would be not a bad idea. So here's a nice see-through practice lock. Small one. However, I also found this one around. So, a larger see-through practice lock. Got a couple of these tension tools that came from some kit, so whatever. Tension tools are useful. And while we're at it, a couple of these sparrows, tension tools. Okay, let's do this. A pick gun. Well, maybe I should take it out of the packet. If I can get it out of the packet. So there we go, a pick gun. Together with all of its relative attachments and the tension tool that came with it. Also, there's no picks here yet, so let's throw in key removal, another jagged lifter, a snowman, another jagged lifter, essentially a city rake, another Bogota triple peak kind of thing, kind of like a snake kind of thing, a shallow hook, and a medium hook. So what do we got there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tools that might come in handy. And to round it off, here is a key for a schlag lock and a bump key for a schlag, SC1 keyway, and also a little rubber grommet to place on to the bump key. And in case you don't have something with a schlag keyway, we have this Carver mortar cylinder with a standard schlag keyway. So all of this I'm going to offer up to someone who's new, that is keen as mustard, but doesn't really have a lot and would like a bit of a kickstart. So if you're interested, drop a line in the comments. If you know of someone, you know, drop that information on me. Rules. No rules. Not really a fan of being told what to do, and I'm not a preachy type, so, you know, it goes two ways. I don't tell people what to do. I don't expect to be told what to do. So I'm holding true on that, and I'm just going to do this as I please, how I please, to, yeah, just give it out to whoever appears to be most deserving. So anyway, that's kind of all I have to say. It's just a little bit of something that I wanted to do, and while I have these things laying around, let's just do it. So there you have it, free stuff for someone. Peace and respect. Be good. I'll see you another day. Bye for now.